Science is full of secrets, hidden truths that are stranger than fiction. Today we'll uncover 14 unbelievable science facts that will make you question reality itself. Stay with me till the end. Fact number 14 is so shocking you'll never see the universe the same way again. Fact 1. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. At the triple point, water can exist as solid, liquid, and gas all at once. This strange state happens only at a very specific temperature and pressure, proving nature loves paradoxes. Fact 2. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas contain potassium 40, a radioactive isotope. Of course, you'd need to eat millions to be harmed, but yes, a banana can technically set off a radiation detector. Fact 3. Your stomach would digest itself without protection. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to melt metal. That's why your stomach regenerates a new lining every few days. Otherwise, you digest yourself. Fact 4. Humans share 60% of DNA with bananas. As strange as it sounds, nearly two-thirds of our DNA is the same as a banana's. It's a reminder that our life is connected no matter how different it looks. Fact 5. You are made of stardust. The carbon in your body, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe, all were created in stars that exploded billions of years ago. You are literally the universe, looking back at itself. Fact 6. Your brain runs on the power of a light bulb. Your brain only uses about 20 watts of energy, like a dim light bulb. Yet with this tiny power source, it creates thoughts, dreams, and consciousness itself. Fact 7. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have been swimming in Earth's oceans for over 400 million years. Trees only about 350 million years old. Sharks are survivors of multiple mass extinctions, even the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. Fact 8. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills and one pumps to the body. When they swim, the main heart actually stops beating and their blood is blue because it's copper based instead of iron. Fact 9. Light can be stopped. Scientists have slowed light down and even stopped it inside special materials. Think about it, the fastest thing in the universe, frozen in place, waiting to move again. Fact 10. DNA is the ultimate hard drive. 1 gram of DNA can store 215 million gigabytes of data. That means every book, song, and movie ever made could fit inside something smaller than a teaspoon of DNA. Fact 11. The universe has more stars than grains of sand. All the beaches, all the deserts, every grain of sand combined. And still, the stars in the universe outnumber them. There are trillions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. The scale is unimaginable. Fact 11. The universe has more stars than grains of sand. All the beaches, all the deserts, every grain of sand combined. And still, the stars in the universe outnumber them. There are trillions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. The scale is unimaginable. Fact 112. You have more bacteria than human cells inside your body. Bacteria outnumber your own cells. Most aren't harmful, they help with digestion and immunity. So in reality, you're not one person, you're an entire living ecosystem. Fact 13. Time moves differently depending on where you are. Einstein proved that time is relative on mountains. Clocks tick faster than at sea level. Astronauts in orbit age slightly slower than people on Earth. This means time travel, at least in small amounts, is already real. Fact 14. The human body glows in the dark. It's invisible to our eyes, but scientists discovered that the human body emits a faint light. This glow peaks in the afternoon and is linked to cellular processes. So yes, you are literally glowing right now, even if you can't see it. Conclusion. From glowing bodies to frozen light, from sharks older than trees to time itself bending, science proves that reality is far stranger than imagination. This is Hidden Clues. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because the next fact we reveal might just rewrite what you believe about the universe.